The question now we have to solve is two elements A and B form compounds having formula AB2 and AB4. When dissolved in 20 gram of benzene C6H6, 1 gram of AB2 lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, whereas 1.0 gram of AB4 lowers it by 1.3 Kelvin. The molar depression constant for benzene is 5.1 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Calculate the atomic mass of A and B. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों को मोलर डिप्रेशन कांस्टेंट दे रखा है बेंजीन का और जो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट में डिप्रेशन आ रहा है बाय एडिंग सॉल्यूट इन बेंजीन वो दे रखा है और हमें दो एलिमेंट्स जो ए और बी हैं उसका मोलर मास एटॉमिक मास कैलकुलेट करना है। तो इसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे रिलेशन डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट का। और उससे पहले हमें सपोज कर लेना चाहिए कि एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ए एंड बी क्या है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू सॉल्व इट। लेट अस एज्यूम the atomic mass masses of A and B are X and Y respectively. So now molar mass of AB2, this will come as X plus 2Y, and molar mass of AB4, it will come as X plus 4Y. Now depression in freezing point. Delta TF is given by KF into M, where M is molality of the solution. This formula can also be written as KF into W2, where W2 is molar mass of W2 is given mass of solute upon M2, where M2 is molar mass of solute, into W1, it is mass of solvent which will be in gram, into 1000. So in the first case we are given delta TF as 2.3 equal to KF we are given 5.1 into W2 is given 1 gram upon M2 we will use X plus 2Y into W1. W1 is mass of benzene, that is 20 gram into 1000. So from here we'll get x plus 2y equal to 5.1 upon 2.3 into 1000 upon 20. This thing will be cancelled as 50. Then we can cancel this also, 2.3 by 5.1, 5.1 by 2.3. So 23 into 2 is 46. We'll get 5 as carried over. Then decimal 50. 23 to the 46, 4 is remainder. Then 1. So this will come as 7. So 2.217 into 50. So I can write it here, x plus 2y equal to 2.217 into 50, that is 5 7s are 35, 8, then 5 2s are 10, then decimals. So we are getting x plus 2y equal to 110.850. This will become equation number 1. Now we will solve for the second solute, that is AB4. You can write it down. So for the second solute we will start from here, delta TF equal to KF into M. Now delta TF we can again write it as KF into W2 mass of solute into 1000 upon M2 molar mass of solute into W1 mass of solvent. Now putting the values, KF is 5.1, W2 is 1 gram, M2 x plus 4y into W1 mass of solvent 20 gram into 1000. This we can cancel 50 times. Delta TF is given 1.3. Now x plus 4y equal to 5.1 upon 1.3 into 50. This we can cancel, 13, 3s are 39, then 12 will be remainder, 0.9, 39 is 117, 2. So we can write it here, x plus 4y equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, it will become 6, then 5 3s are 15, 19. So we will get this as 196.00. X plus 4y equal to 196.00. This will become equation number 2. Now we can solve this by using method of linear equation in two variables. So let's solve it. If I subtract equation 1 from equation 2, then x plus 4y equal to 196.00, and equation 1 is x plus 2y equal to 110.85. Now if I subtract this, so these signs will become minus. Now this x will be cancelled. Here I will get 2y. Now 15 after decimal, this will be 5 and this will be 8. So 2y equal to 85.15. Now y equal to 85.15 divided by 2. So if I divide it, 4, 2, 5, 7. So y equal to 42.57 I am getting here. Now for the value of x, we can use any of these two equations. So x plus 2y equal to 110.85. Now we already have value of 2y equal to 85.15. So 85.15 equal to 110.85. From here we'll get x as 70 and 15. Sorry, this will be 25. So x equal to, we are getting 25.70. So from here we can write molar mass of A is 25.70 and molar mass of B is 42.57. So this will be the answer to the question.